Just need to take that first step. So are you ready to take the leap? You might be wondering, how can I get started? Well, let's dive right into it. Starting a side hustle in the AI industry isn't as complex as it may sound. It's all about learning the ropes, being resourceful, and staying persistent. It's a journey that begins with acquiring the right skills. AI is a broad field, so it's important to narrow down your focus. You could specialize in machine learning, data analysis, robotics, or natural language processing, among others. Each of these areas has its own set of skills and tools you need to master. To acquire these skills, there are numerous resources available online. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and EDX offer a plethora of AI-related courses. Some are even offered by top-tier universities like Stanford and MIT. When choosing a course, consider the complexity level, the course content, and the reviews by other learners. Remember, the goal isn't just to learn, but to become proficient. Having the right skills isn't enough, though. You need to demonstrate your proficiency to potential clients or employers. This is where building a portfolio comes in. Use what you've learned to create projects that showcase your skills. These could be anything from a machine learning model that predicts stock prices to a chatbot that can carry out customer service tasks. The key is to ensure that your projects are relevant to the area you want to specialize in. Once you've built a solid portfolio, it's time to find work. There are various platforms where you can find AI-related jobs or gigs. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are popular among freelancers. LinkedIn is also a great platform for finding job opportunities.